Hello everyone, it's July 26th, and today we're spending the day at Godavari Village Resort with our friends and family, enjoying swimming, delicious food, and quality time together. As soon as we reached the swimming pool, the kids couldn't wait any longer. They jumped straight into the water. After spending some time playing in the pool, we take a short break and enjoy some snacks together. Even after spending so much time in the pool, the kids were still full of energy. They rushed over to the playground and started playing without wasting a moment. The bright, sunny weather soon gave way to dark clouds, and before long it started to rain. It was the perfect time to head inside and enjoy a delicious lunch together. Since it was still raining, the kids couldn't play outside on the grounds. But that didn't stop them. They started playing indoors and had just as much fun. Since the rain continued without any sign of stopping, we decided to wrap up our day and head back home. What a wonderful day it has been. We had so much fun swimming, enjoying delicious food, and spending quality time together. It was truly a pleasure meeting everyone's families and creating beautiful memories that we'll cherish for years to come.